Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all product categories in WooComerece. So simply in order to do this, just you have to install the plugins. Simply go to plugins, and now here you can see I already installed this plugins, WooComerece all product per subscriptions. So simply as you can see our plugin is installed here. So simply go to products, and after that click on categories. So now here you can see I have 3 categories. Now I want to delete all these categories at once. Simply just what I need to do, click on select here, or you can simply select one by one. After that, when you select there, so simply click on bulk actions, and now click on delete. So just keep in mind, when you delete all the categories, so simply it will not be appeared here. So simply just you have select the delete option, and now click on apply. So now wait for a few seconds. So now here you can see our all product categories are deleted. So in this way you can easily delete all product categories in WooComerece.